health conditions, or abnormal blood pressure, back, neck, or similar physical conditions are an
Hello and welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. In addition to the important safety
and your belongings safe during your Raptor run today. Let's prepare for your ultimate Raptor close encounter. Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which locker is assigned to that ticket. You won't be returning to these rooms. You remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection. If you return, you will arrive to the other side of the locker. Look for keys.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of VelociCoaster. It says that 95.2% of our viewers are not subscribed. So if you guys could do us a huge favor, click that subscribe button. And if you've been here for a while, we'd love your support on our new channel, BluBear. It's a kids channel. We're really excited about it, and it takes 1,000 subscribers before we can start monetizing. So that would be a huge help. All the links are in the description. In this video, all the B-roll is ours, but the POV itself is Universal Orlando's video. So click the link in the description to find their original video. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.
Thank you.